よ指輪さんの欲しいもの拾ってあげます。
When it comes to dinner on the weekend, it has to be quick and easy. Am I right? So today, we're gonna be whipping up a vegan happo rice bowl which includes ton of vegetable and tofu. At the end of this video, I'm announcing to you a giveaway to celebrate the launch of our first e-cookbook coming up in a week. So please stick around till the end. I'm really excited. But for now, let's get cooking. Soak dried shiitake mushrooms in water. Mine is pre-sliced, so it only takes 5 minutes for soaking. But if you're using a whole mushroom, please soak it longer according to the package instructions. In the meantime, we are chopping up veggies as always. Thinly sliced carrot. We are cooking up all the vegetable at the same time, so root vegetable like carrot should be sliced as thin as possible so that all the vegetable will be cooked evenly. Transfer to the large pan or pot. From now, we're gonna pile up bulk of vegetables, so make sure to save the space for that. Do the same for onion, Japanese leeks or spring onions, and garlic. You could use any vegetable you have on hand, but I would say onion, carrot, and garlic have been staple for me whenever I make this. Chinese cabbage, also known as Napa cabbage. For the white part where it's nearer to the core is usually tougher than the leaf part, so slice them thinly. And for the leaf part, just chop them into big bite-sized pieces so that you can enjoy both texture without getting them too soft. If you don't have all the vegetable I use here, it's better to add some different vegetable rather than omitting everything. The flavor from each vegetable contributes to create a different dimension to the dish. Remove the stem of enoki mushrooms. Of course, you can use any kind of mushrooms you want, such as shiitake mushroom and shimeji mushroom. Lastly, chop mustard spinach into big bite-sized pieces. You can use spinach and bok choy as a substitution. We piled everything except for the mustard spinach in the same pan. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of comb stock powder or vegetable stock powder, then bring it to the stove. If you are opting for a vegetable bouillon cube, please crumble it. Once it comes to a boil, mix them roughly to make sure the stock powder is evenly distributed. Pop the lid and cook it until all the vegetables are nearly fully cooked, which took me about 10 minutes on medium-low heat. When all the juices come out from the vegetable, add a half cup of water, followed by tofu, which has been sliced into 1/2 inch, plus mustard spinach. I like to add it towards the end to retain the texture of mustard spinach. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of miso paste. Here, I'm using yellow miso, but you don't need to buy new one. Please try with what you already have. Keep cooking on medium heat. To thicken the sauce, mix equal parts of potato starch and water, then add into the sauce. Quickly stir them together. Thickening the sauce is quite an important step to round up the flavor and also help to cling more to the rice when it's served. To amp up more flavor, add freshly cracked black pepper along with toasted sesame oil. This toasted sesame oil will elevate the dish to the next level, so I highly recommend not to skip it. Make sure to adjust the taste by adding more salt or soy sauce. I keep this recipe undersalted, so you might wanna make a small adjustment to your liking. Off the heat and set it aside for now. Am I the only one who needs some kind of soup to go with it? I hope not, because we're gonna make homemade instant miso soup. To the bowl, add comb stock powder or any other stock you prefer. Add broccoli, which is blanched, plus canned corn. Add your choice of miso paste and just pour the piping hot water over the top. Make sure to dissolve the miso paste before serving it. The exact measurement will be listed on my blog. The link is in the description box below. I have Japanese sushi sticky rice in the bowl. Scoop generous amount of vegetable and sauce over the top. Of course, don't forget the chopped spring onion for the color and freshness. I enjoy it with kimchi, pickled ginger, more grated garlic or ginger, and Japanese mustard. These are optional, but one thing I wouldn't skip is vinegar. Just a tiny bit of splash will sharpen up the flavor and give the complex taste to the dish. This can be easily stored in the fridge for up to 3 days. This will also go with noodles incredibly well, so if you are in need of 10 minutes cooking, reheat it and top it on the noodle, then you are good to go. So now let's talk about the giveaways. First of all, thank you so much for waiting and encouraging me on this cookbook project. So many of you asked me, when is it? And I'm pleased to announce it will be finally published in a week, December 18th. I divided into 3 cookbooks, which will be vegan Japanese food cookbook, Japanese breakfast cookbook, and meal prep cookbook. So you can pick depending on your preference, or you can get all of them. That will make my day. They are all something my Japanese family love and enjoy at home with a variety of vegetable. I'm also introducing Japanese basic ingredients plus step-by-step detailed directions with pictures. So even if you are just venturing into your Japanese cooking, I hope you can still try it in your kitchen. If you can pre-order it in a week from now on, you have a chance to win the giveaway, which will be this beautiful soup bowl from Musubi Love. I have been partnering with Musubi Love for a while now. They ship you quality Japanese tableware, including bowls, cups, pots, chopsticks, and many more to decorate your table. I use it every day and love all of them. To enter the giveaway, please go to the description box and read the guidelines. Okay, I think that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye, mata ne!